Euro against US dollar this week has started the week here. We can see after the price formed a bullish breakout above 1.03981, the price stayed above this area of support and could not make a bearish breakout. We can see that for several days the price is bouncing back down, going up, slightly up, but could not reach this area of supply zone where the resistance is. The week has closed as a bearish candle. We can see that after the previous week has closed as a bearish candle, it was expected that the price will reach 1.03981 as a support. The price has done that, and we can see the price is formed into the indecision candle. How the month will close? There is high probability that this month will close as a bearish candle, because we can see that the price is here at 1.04. In order to become bullish, needs to go to 1.056. So in the next 2 days, it is less possible that the price will close as a bullish candle. So I'm expecting that the price will stay as a bearish candle. Where the price will go? Well, you can see we need more volatility for the price, but currently 1.0981 is the support level where the price currently is trying to go, and also to make a bearish breakout. Now, the daily time frame shows me that 1.03981 is also the very important support level for the price that will need to be broken in order to go further down and reaching 1.02664 as a support level. Will the price manage? Well, I am currently waiting outside of this range area, between this area of resistance 1.04725 and the first support level. When the price manages to make any kind of a breakout, bullish or bearish, that will be also a signal for the future movements. If the price goes above that, we can see that 1.05947 is the next resistance level where the price could go. Now, on the 4-hour time frame, I'm also watching how the price is behaving around this area of support and resistance, and we can see that we have here a 4-hour resistance level. Here it is also a daily support level that will be also shared with the traders inside the premium analysis when the price forms a bearish or bullish breakout with a potential target where the price is heading. So for now, I'm still waiting outside and waiting until the price manages to go outside of this indecision range area. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.